Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making homemade fried tilapia. This recipe, guys, is so delicious. The fish is crispy, crunchy, and utterly delicious. The fish is extreme crispy on the outside and moist flaky fish in the inside. You can serve this fish with mango avocado salsa or any sauce of your preference. You can serve it also with french fries or roasted potatoes. Guys, I have a good recipe for garlic roasted potatoes. I'll leave the link somewhere up here. Go check it out. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So let's get right into the ingredients. You will need all-purpose flour divided, cornstarch, salt, black pepper. You'll also need sparkling water, baking powder, chili powder, and tilapia fillets. Cut the fillets in half, season with salt and black pepper on both sides. Although I'm making this use tilapia, but you can use any kind of fish for this recipe like cod, trout, salmon, etc. This recipe, guys, is a keeper. It will become your own all-you-can-eat Friday night fish fry at home. Dredge the fish into the flour and place it on a clean plate. Before making the batter, heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Into my flour, I'm gonna add baking powder along with cornstarch, add salt along with black pepper, add chili powder and mix well. Next, we're gonna add sparkling water. Whisk together until well combined. The batter should not be too runny or too thick. Dip each fillet into flour mixture, then bake into the flour. Shake off any excess flour. Fry fish for 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown. Remove the excess oil by placing the fish on a paper towel. Allow it to cool for 10 minutes. Guys, this fish is still crispy even after 10 minutes. You can hear when I bite. There you have it, guys. Crispy fried tilapia. I hope you'll try this recipe. Please subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.